Hi. My Indesit WM12x washing machine door won't lock. I just replaced the door latch and handle. I think I fitted it okay. The door closes, but won't lock. So the wash cycle won't start. I had to unlock the machine from inside, after taking the lid off.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years. And currently work for a well-known manufacturer. If you are able to close the door and open it okay, then the door handle and catch will be fine. As if it wasn't, then you won't be able to close the door as the metal door pin won't latch into the lock. What you need to do is open the door and remove the metal clamp which will be around the door seal, and then unlip the door seal. Then you can remove the door lock from there and pull it through the porthole. From there, check the wiring block is pushed on fully. If it is, then you need to test the lock with a multimeter. Disconnect the wires and you will see 3 tags. With a meter test between all 3 and 2 of the tags will give a reading. If you don't get a reading, then the door lock is faulty and will need to be replaced. Now I've seen these lock where they fail like this, and it can cause the door handle / latch to break. So when you fix the handle, you realize it's not starting due to a faulty lock, so it's not uncommon for this to happen. So check the wires are pushed on the lock okay, and if it is, then it's more than likely the door lock at fault. Now if the lock tests okay and it just isn't starting still, then it will be the control board at the back at fault on this. But check the lock first, as most of the time it's this that causes the fault. Regards.
Thanks, Daniel. I think I have a multimeter, though I've never used it. It doesn't seem to be very easy to remove the metal clamp. Can I remove and test the lock by unscrewing the top lid and reaching down?
Yes, you can do it that way. If it's easy for you, that will be fine that way.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.